after guilty verdict in a gang rape case. The two are guilty of gang raping a female musician at a birthday party in August 2018. According to the ruling by Milimani Chief Magistrate Martha Mutuku, the two will serve a custodial sentence. Chris Sambu now reports.
On the 10th of February 2018, Kenyans woke up to allegations of a musician famously known as Kemunto accusing two men of raping her. The allegation that caused a fuming reactions from Kenyans, prompting the investigation agencies to take action, with two rugby players, Alex Olaba and his counterpart Frank Wanyama, falling prey. On the 8th of August 2019, Milimani law courts found the two rugby players having gone against Section 10 of the Sexual Offence Act, committing the offence. After the court had submissions from the complainant and the accused, it was due day for conviction of the two guilty parties of Frank Wanyama and Alex Olaba, bringing down the one-year case proceedings.
It was submitted that the complainant in this matter is a young lady and that she had undergone trauma as a result of the incident. Her life was changed by the events of that night, and now that she's trying to build her life afresh. Ms. Kamau urged the court to look at the psychological and social effects that the incident had occasioned on the complainant, and that thereby give a deterrent sentence. Mr. Simiyu, for the accused persons in mitigation, submitted that the accused persons were very remorseful. He urged the court to take note of the age of the accused persons, as they were young university students with budding rugby careers before them.
Through their lawyer Jimmy Simiyu, the two said they regretted the incident and pleaded the court for a non-custodial sentence.
Section 10 of the Sexual Offences Act provides as follows, quote, any person who commits the offence of rape or defilement under this act in association with another or others, or any other person who, with common intention, is in the company of others or others who commit the offence of rape or defilement, is guilty of an offence termed as gang rape and is liable upon conviction to imprisonment for a term of not less than 15 years, but which may be enhanced to imprisonment for life.
The magistrate Martha Mutuku, while handing down the sentence, said the victim, who is a local musician, was traumatized by the event which took place at Safe Apartments in Iris, Nairobi, and upon mitigation of the submissions, the court had settled for 15 years custodial jail term for each of the two rugby players.
I am guided and will proceed to impose the minimum sentence that is provided for under the Act, and all considered, I will sentence the first accused person on the first count of gang rape to serve 15 years imprisonment. Similarly, the second accused person on the count of gang rape, that the second count, is equally sentenced to serve 15 years imprisonment. The accused persons have a right of appeal in 14 days.
The rape case against two Kenyan rugby players, Frank Wanyama and Alex Olaba, has finally come to an end with 15 years jail in prison. The two have 15 days to submit the appeal to High Court. Chris Sambu, KUTV, Nairobi.